Hey, everyone, I'm Kunal. I'm the co-founder of Cardinal, the makers of Chip. All right, so let's say you're working on a hot new e-commerce startup that you're just about to launch. You've been writing a bunch of code. So here's an example of like maybe a process payment endpoint that you have. And you've written like a bunch of log lines here. For example, you want to catch when errors occur. So
Hold the mic closer.
Processing payment. And you have a card type that's one of the tags on that log line. But now you're ready to take this app to production. Have you made sure that you've done all of these things before going to production, which is instrumenting your apps, creating all of the appropriate alerts, monitors, creating all the dashboards, and then most importantly, have you got a plan to keep 2 and 3 up to date as things keep changing? That seems like a lot of work, right? What if you could just get something like this? So this is an example of an alert that Chip has sent to your Slack channel. And it's telling you when something goes wrong with that process payment method that you just had. So it's also telling you like that the callers to your service are having problems. And then it's also identified that the MasterCard card type in this case is actually the one contributing to most of those failures. You can also dig into more details if you want to. It's a bit blurry up there, but this is kind of the issue detail view that you would see, which is also pointing out that like 86% of your issues are coming from the MasterCard card type in this case. So that's what Chip is. Chip is basically a monitoring agent that makes you incident ready really fast. And more importantly, it keeps you incident ready as things continue to change, which is usually what happens in fast-moving teams where you're writing a lot of code and you can't really keep everything up to date. So think of Chip as basically continuous incident readiness. It's like CI/CD, but for when things go wrong. You can find out more about us here.